Welcome. In front of me is a Doogee S86 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up your contacts application. There we go. And let's select the three dots, settings, import or export contacts, copy contacts from. We're gonna select USIM, select next, phone, and this will show us all the contacts that are on our SIM card. So you can quickly select all of them by tapping right over here, as you can see, and then click on OK, and voila, contacts have been imported, and you can now find them right here. So anyway, that is how you can import your contacts, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.